In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pricing table design in Elementor Wordpress. This simple yet effective process takes just a few minutes and will add a professional touch to your website. Start by logging into your WordPress site. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the Pages section. Here, you can select an existing page to edit with Elementor, or you can create a new one if that suits your needs better. Using Elementor for your design needs gives you a broad range of customization options, allowing you to unleash your creativity and craft a pricing table that really stands out. With your page open in Elementor, you'll begin by clicking on the plus icon to add a new section. You'll then want to select the grid option and choose a column structure that best fits your desired layout. Think about how many pricing plans you need to display and the space each should occupy. Next, head to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Price Table and drag and drop the Price Table widget into your preferred column. This widget is essential for building a cohesive pricing table that integrates seamlessly with the rest of your design. If you need more columns, simply duplicate the widget across them. After placing your widgets, it's time to delve into customization. Start by altering the content of your pricing tables. At the header, modify the title and subtitle to match your offerings, and don't forget the header background, which can give your table a unique look. For the pricing section, input the pricing details. Set the price, add a currency symbol, and define the period, whether it's monthly or yearly. If you have a promotional offer, consider using the sale price option and add a ribbon for extra emphasis. When configuring features, you can add new items, duplicate current ones, or remove those that aren't necessary. Adjust the text, icons, and colors to align with your brand identity and enhance functionality. In the footer area, customize the button text and consider adding a call to action that prompts potential buyers to take the next step. Now let's turn our attention to styling. Begin by adjusting the box style, playing with the background color, border, and border radius until it complements your overall site aesthetic. For a more refined touch, style each section individually. The header, price box, feature list, and action button can all have specific styling, making your table truly distinctive. For greater design flexibility, look into advanced features like the Advanced Price Table widget from Elementor add-ons. This utility lets you highlight specific plans, add badges and custom icons, and integrate advanced hover effects, all tools that can differentiate your pricing table from others. Finally, once you're satisfied with your pricing table's design and functionality, click on the Publish button, and that's it. You've successfully created a stunning pricing table in Elementor WordPress in just a matter of minutes. Happy designing!